Ever wonder who keeps the wheels turning in a busy office? Who ensures that everything runs smoothly? From ordering supplies to planning events, meet the office manager, the unsung hero of the workplace. They are the oil in the machine, the conductor of the orchestra, the glue that holds everything together. This guide will take you deep into the world of office management. We'll uncover the multifaceted responsibilities, the essential skills, and the potential rewards this role offers. Whether you're considering a career in office management or simply curious about this vital function, read on to discover the secrets of success in this dynamic field. Are you ready to explore the exciting world of office management? Let's dive in. The office manager's role is incredibly diverse. They wear many hats, juggling administrative tasks, managing resources, and ensuring a productive and enjoyable work environment for everyone. One day might involve organizing travel arrangements for executives, while the next could see them negotiating contracts with vendors or onboarding new employees. They handle everything from ordering office supplies and maintaining equipment to planning team building events and managing office budgets. The office manager is the go to person for all things office related. Their ability to multitask, prioritize, and solve problems efficiently is crucial to the smooth functioning of the entire workplace. Stay tuned to learn about the essential skills and experience needed to excel in this dynamic role. What does it take to be a successful office manager? Strong organizational and time management skills are paramount. The ability to prioritize tasks, meet deadlines, and juggle multiple projects simultaneously is essential. Excellent communication skills are also vital. The office manager interacts with a wide range of people, from colleagues and superiors to vendors and clients. They must be able to communicate effectively both verbally and in writing. Proficiency in office software, such as word processing, spreadsheets, and presentation software, is also crucial. Experience in an administrative or office environment is highly beneficial. Many office managers start in entry level positions and work their way up, gaining valuable on the job experience. Section 4: Navigating the office landscape. The office manager doesn't work in isolation, they are an integral part of a larger team working closely with colleagues from all departments. They are the central hub of communication, ensuring everyone has the information and resources they need to succeed. They are also responsible for fostering a positive and productive work environment. This involves creating a welcoming and inclusive atmosphere, addressing any conflicts that may arise, and ensuring everyone feels valued and respected. The office manager is a master of logistics, coordinating schedules, booking meeting rooms, and ensuring the smooth running of daily operations. They are also the keeper of office supplies, keeping track of inventory and placing orders as needed. Section 5: The rewards of a job. Well done. Being an office manager is no easy feat, but the rewards can be significant. It offers a sense of satisfaction that comes from knowing you play a vital role in the success of the company. The position also provides opportunities for growth and development, with the potential to move into more senior management roles. Salary expectations vary depending on experience, location, and company size, but office managers can expect to earn a competitive wage and benefits package. The work schedule is typically Monday to Friday, and with some flexibility depending on the company and industry. The role of an office manager is constantly evolving, presenting new challenges and opportunities for growth. It's a dynamic and rewarding career path for those who thrive in a fast paced environment and enjoy making a tangible difference in the workplace.